So me can see them a wait to see where Adi a go do before they make a move. Because them could have make a move, but them a wait to see what him a go do. Even Craig Dennis himself did a wait to see what Kartel a go do before they make a move. Me go see Craig Dennis running with the microphone and go so boom and lick me in my head with the microphone.
Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers. What go on, my people? Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just go jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So no, don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
So now people, we have dancehall artist Einstein aka Stein right here exposing Vybz Kartel. You see me I say, and him basically expose Vybz Kartel, diss him and make him entourage them, beating people. So people, you know, remember in the Gully and the Gaza war, yeah, in a them time there, yeah. And at the end of the day, Einstein did go a Craig Dennis party, because I think basically it was Craig Dennis' birthday. You see me I say, and you also know say at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel was at that party to see him speak. And evil Craig Dennis, which was the promoter, evil end up beating Einstein to you. See me I say. So Einstein come forward right now and Einstein explain everything what go on in that altercation with him and Vybz Kartel. You see me I say. And basically him I say, yo, a Vybz Kartel set them on them pan him. You see me I say. A Vybz Kartel allow the thing to go on, because people who remember the Gully and the Gaza war say it did very intense. You see me I say. And them time they, you know, say Stein did inner alliance. You see me I say. And it basically come like Einstein did kind of dip on the borderline a certain way, because him a par with Bounty Killer and Mavado, and also a par with Vybz Kartel and the Gaza. You see me I say. And we all know say at the end of the day them thing they don't work, because sometimes yeah basically you have to choose a side. You see me I say. Worse when you see the thing get intense and violent. You see me I say. So people, this is a very interesting video, my viewers and subscribers. I really want you to take the time out for, you know, check it out and see what really did go on, especially for all of those who never really know the full thing, or basically those who weren't at that party, because basically enough people who did evil at the party don't really know what take place. Them only see what go on or hear what go on. You see me I say, viewers and subscribers, and it is very interesting. So I want to check out the whole video just to get the whole understanding of the whole thing, because people, yeah, you don't know a whole heap of thing Einstein talking at the video and exposing at the video, you see me I say. And basically, yeah, you don't know say this thing is kind of a long time thing, people, but you don't know, enough people never did really know certain thing, you see me I say. And at the end of the day, you know say Vybz Kartel thing did acting at the thing them time there, you see me, Vybz Kartel and Mavado thing, yeah, I never know no normal people. We all know what take place in that confrontation, you see me I say. So viewers and subscribers, here we go on. Me nah hold you know, me I go just make you check out the video so you can drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section on this situation.
Forward a Craig Dennis party, because me and Killer did their escape before in the night. A party. See? I'm a Killer? No, I'm a Killer cousin. So Killer cousin, I say, if you know I go give Craig Dennis them a strength. I say, yeah man, me I go around them man. I say, no, you and them par man, same studio under them. I say, yeah man, me I give him a strength, man. So me need to get to pick up none of my entourage them now nothing. Because me and the girl that par, I say, alright, me just stop around there. And so I go around there. So I stop around there and go up on the stage, and Kartel see me and give me the mic same time. I'm a DJ and the place boss. I'm a there big up Kartel and, you know, big up happy birthday Craig Dennis and Ray. So when me give back Kartel the mic now, see two man walk over to me and say, hey, boy, where you do you so? Ray. I'm say, yo, who them man ya? Yo, brother, how not deal it? See? So I go so boom and walk over to Kartel now and say, yo, brother, you man you just violating a brother. You're entourage in a brother. Fix this now. I say, G, fix this guy. It look like something I go on there saying. The man them stay so boom when me talk to Kartel and stay so and I wait. So you see me? I talk to him, but I turn around and I look back upon them and say, yo, teacher. So them a wait. So me can see say them a wait to see where Adi I go do before they make a move. Because them could have make a move, but them a wait to see what him a go do. Even Craig Dennis himself did a wait to see what Kartel a go do before they make a move.
Mm-hmm.
So when I talk to the man just turn him back for me so. And I go so boom and go round to him. Because since he turn him back, me go round to him then. And I say, yo, and the man turn him back again. Yes, when he turn him back the second time, me go see Craig Dennis running with the microphone and go so boom and lick me in my head with the microphone. Like him a wait for see what Kartel do. And when Kartel turn him back, Craig Dennis goes so boom, lick me in my head with the microphone right there so. So I go so boom. First, come could have thumped him in his face, you know, and blood up him face, you know, but to me the kind of shock and me I say, me and the man are bridging now, what this? So, after me kind of come to my senses, me I say, hey boy, and I run down pan Craig Dennis to thump him up now. When me I run down pan him, I be a man, be a ratchet. Mount a cut, man a cut off of me. When you see through my skill long time, they never know my body, they never know me a ninja. You see me? Cause country, my born and grow, brother, when you can't ramp with me, you mad? Be a knife, me see a cut off my stay so. I grab boy and I stay so. And them I say, oh boy, now run. And them expect me to run my stay. Like, boy, he's off some man and be a man a cut off of me and be a cut. A brother named Freckles see me years after and tell me, say, one of this, the cut them did I go catch me and him stop it. I say, yo, I mean stop it, you know, one of them, you know. I mean stop one of the cut them, you know. I say, oh, Freckles, me never see that, brother. He say, if you do that for me, why you never tell me? Why you go on so? Freckles, cool now, brother. He was a producer. I say, brother, cool now. Yes, just come up to me and tell me, no, man, I make me tell you thanks, brother. Me never see, me never know. You know, say, I be a knife and be a people a cut off of me. All my shirt get cut, you know.
Mm-hmm.
My shirt have slice in it. And me not get none cut, no cut, not even one cut. Because them think me get cut up, you know. Everybody think me get cut up because I be a knife. All my shirt,
So
when we
this
reach
was
my yard and...
on the stage or
Yeah,
this
on the
was
stage.
Wait, on the
On the
stage?
stage and two police boy there. I tell me, two police there, we always a beg man them money. And I see me weeks after. Did that there, no, right? I'm saying, I'm sister, I did that. I want a police, I want to stand up and watch that happen. My sister, I did that. Love me, man. Yo, give me a thing, no, give me, say, better, me give any other police money. Me no want to see you, no cool, no good, man. No, always see me and I beg me a thing and me go to my youth. I want to police my youth, I want to dip on the stage. I want to see that. And I thought, but you did that. And that police, brother. Cool, man. No, nothing with them, man. Everything good, man. Zin? So, when the man them a cut off of me, Zin? Some wild cut. Zin? Me go so boom, man. Jump off a stage and me go so boom, man. Run out of venue. Zin? But me not even run fast. Zin? So me stop. Me stop at the gate. And me stop at the gate and me look back. Me see them dead there. Them mouth and none of them no run forward still. You see me I say? So me stop and me dead there at the gate. And a man say, yo, artist, you shouldn't come right here, say, you know. You know, say the man them take the war serious in Mavado them and kill her. Me I say, me and the man them a friend to me, now I expect that. If Killer and Mavado did a pre like them, Killer and Mavado would have do me the same thing too. Because me and them are bridging too. So me never know, say the man them a chat me behind my back. You understand? If Adi did just go so boom and say, do what him did or do, and make the man then call me, me da meet up with them, me da sit down with him, and me da say, here we go now, Adi. This are the move we would make. Me da say, here we go now, Adi. Me respect you as my brother, me respect Killer as my general. Mavado them and my brother too. But you see you, me know you a long time. So you know, say, me have different respect for you. See? Me know Killer a long time and Killer my general. So me now go disrespect Killer. Now disrespect Mavado or you. So you know what? Me I go just take myself out of all of this. and me I go just neutral then. And that would have happened. And me just say, yo, respect. You see me I say, and me I go make it, me would have make him know, say, brother, me nah go disrespect you ever. And me nah go disrespect them. So here we go on. Me I go just take myself out of this, and me would have end up remain neutral. And me wouldn't in an alliance either. Because then we would have really see which part it really a go. And me would want to in a that. You understand? So that would have happened if him did follow in mind and call me. Like when say call Stein. When them a plan them thing. When him say call Stein, him did just want to have a next ally on him side still. To find out, which part my thing there. To see if him can bring me in a film camp. But I wouldn't in a Gaza anyway. But it end up that I wouldn't in an alliance either.
You'd just stay neutral, stay one side.
Yeah, I would have stay neutral and stay one side. Yeah, and my career would have bigger. So it's because that happened now. Them do that. So them actually put me pan aside. You understand? Them put me, so me end up there on alliance side. Because me did upon everybody's side because me and everybody are brethren long before alliance and in a alliance days. So when the breakup are going, me never have nothing against nobody. Them have things against each other. You understand? So that wasn't me. You understand? So at that no, and plus Craig Dennis, him did really jealous. So him now bring me name to Kartel all the time. Settings where me even never settle.
So people, you know what I really want to tell me? I want to tell me what I think about everything what Einstein just said in the video. You see me I say, because basically Einstein I say, yo, at the end of the day, him never know say, yo, the Gaza camp a preem or Vybz Kartel per se a preem. You see me I say, and him I say at the end of the day, him they just want to keep the thing neutral between everyone. You see me I say, because at the end of the day, him nan this Vybz Kartel just like how him nan this Mavado and him nan this Bounty Killer. You see me I say, so in a fee mind, him I tell himself say, yo, him a keep the thing neutral when at the end of the day, Vybz Kartel nah miss the way there. Him even expose at the end of the day if Mavado and Bounty Killer did a pre that way there. Them would have basically set him up when him go at them party. You see me I say? So him I say at the end of the day a Vybz Kartel and Fame Entourage are pre-corrupt. You see me I say? And really and truly when you look on that still you don't know say artist are artist still. You see me I say? And if Adi really do all of this where Einstein says still, you see me I say, well, basically that wrong still. And really and truly at the end of the day too, Einstein no must really attack the truth neither, you see me I say. So people want to share on thoughts on this situation, you see me I say, because me know that there is people out there who know they know, you see me I say. So drop it down into the comment section and make we discuss it, you see me I say people. Him even expose at the end of the day, so why him even go at the party to see him speed, you see me I say, because him and him brethren did a forward from a killer show and dating. Yeah, but basically people, I'm not going to really chat out the thing. You see me I say, yeah, I just want your phone thoughts on this situation down into the comment section. You see me I say, yeah, make me know if you think say, yo, Vybz Kartel wrong, or make me know if you really feel like say, at the end of the day, say, yo, Einstein shouldn't go to the party knowing, say, yo, him a link with the two sides. And at the end of the day, him know the heat will go on between the gully and the Gaza. You see me as a people. So just drop your honest thoughts down into the comment section, as I said before, and make we discuss it. You see me I say. Also, people, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. You see me I say. Also, give this video a like and share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you already know how we do the thing over here, people. You see me I say. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.